Hello. To determine whether a program is secure enough to install on Windows, we'll demonstrate how to run it safely in this video. The lightweight desktop environment Windows Sandbox, which enable you to run app in isolation, will be used for this. Every software you install inside the Windows Sandbox stays sandbox and operate independently from your host computer. On the Start menu, look for the Window feature option and choose it. Search for Windows Sandbox and turn it on, just like I did on my computer. Restart your computer after you have made it active. Open Windows Sandbox by typing sandbox into the Start menu. It will launch the software after a little delay. After Windows Sandbox is running, copy the software you wish to test and put it inside of it, as I have done in the video. Run the program to finish and observe it in action. This file is operating in safe mode, which is Windows Sandbox environment, so you can be sure it is neither virus or ransomware.